Daytona. So yeah. So 110 p.m.
Oh, there it goes! SBA! It's here! Oh my god. Let's go, Daytona!
In New York, Orange and Putnam. Remember,
Orange and Putnam.
your thunderstorm watch means that conditions are
Let's go! It just got towed!
Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While
Let's
severe
go!
weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible
It's on KZZ31.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast...
It's on KZZ31.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Let's go.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest
National Weather Service cold water safety message.
severe
Air temperatures will rise into 70s and 80s across most of the
10 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following counties:
However,
Orange,
water
New
temperatures
York.
remain in the 50s.
Let's go.
The cold water temperatures can quickly cause
Let's go.
cooling incapacitation to anyone suddenly immersed in the water. When the water temperature is below 60 degrees,